America. The name conjures up images of vast landscapes, bustling cities, and endless possibilities. From sea to shining sea, this country is a kaleidoscope of experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you crave adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, America has something for everyone. So pack your bags, bring your sense of wonder, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of the USA. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and beauty of America's natural wonders. From towering mountains to sprawling canyons, the USA is home to some of the most breathtaking scenery on Earth. These natural treasures offer a glimpse into the raw power and artistry of nature, leaving visitors humbled and inspired. No trip to America is complete without witnessing the awe-inspiring grandeur of the Grand Canyon. Carved by the mighty Colorado River over millions of years, this vast chasm stretches for 277 miles and reaches depths of over a mile. Gaze down into its depths, marvel at its layered bands of colorful rock, and let the immensity of time and nature wash over you. Venture north to Wyoming and experience the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone National Park. Here, geysers erupt in plumes of steam and hot springs shimmer in vibrant hues. Witness the raw power of nature as Old Faithful, the park's most famous geyser, erupts faithfully every 90 minutes or so. Keep your eyes peeled for the park's abundant wildlife, including bison, elk, and even wolves. Section 5. Vibrant Cities. A tapestry of cultures. Beyond its natural wonders, America is a melting pot of cultures, each contributing to the country's vibrant tapestry. From the bright lights of New York City to the soulful rhythms of New Orleans, each city has its own unique personality and charm. Let's delve into the heart of these urban centers and experience the energy and diversity that make America so special. Section 6. New York City, the city that never sleeps. No other city embodies the energy and excitement of America quite like New York City. From the iconic Empire State Building to the bustling streets of Times Square, New York is a city that never sleeps. Catch a Broadway show, explore world-class museums, and indulge in culinary delights from every corner of the globe. Section 7. New Orleans, a city of soul and celebration. Experience the unique blend of French, African, and American cultures in New Orleans, Louisiana. Let the sounds of jazz music guide you through the French Quarter, where colorful buildings and wrought iron balconies evoke a bygone era. Indulge in the city's renowned cuisine, from spicy gumbo to sugary beignets. Section 8. San Francisco, where innovation meets charm. Nestled on the California coast, San Francisco is a city where innovation and tradition collide. Ride a cable car up Lombard Street, the most crooked street in the world, and admire the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, from the bustling Chinatown to the LGBTQ+ haven of the Castro. Section 9. Adventure awaits. From its soaring mountains to its bustling cities, America offers a tapestry of experiences as vast and diverse as its landscape. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, the USA has something to ignite your imagination and create lifelong memories. So come, explore the endless possibilities of this remarkable country and discover the magic that awaits.